Cooper, is that spaghetti good? Uh-oh. Can you suck it in? There's some more on your plate right here, darling. Right here. Where's spaghetti? Can you say spaghetti? Can you say spaghetti? Cooper, say spaghetti. Dada, he'll be home soon. Can you say spaghetti? Cooper, say spaghetti. No. Wow. I think you like that now. No? Too much? I love you, sweet boy. This is the last day. You're 1 year old. How old are you going to be tomorrow? No, that's not for Lucy. Well, thank you for sharing, though. Cooper, how old are you going to be tomorrow? 2. Happy birthday, sweet boy. I love you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.